Buongiorno a tutti, welcome back! Today, as a good Genovese, I'm gonna do the focaccia. Voila! Let's start mixing flour with water. So we're gonna do a process called autolysis that I already explained in my video how to make the bread at home that you can find here. So this process is gonna help us to create a structure of our focaccia. And now we can leave it to rest for about 1 hour and a half. After 1 hour and 30, our dough is ready and strong, and we can add the rest of the ingredient. Extra virgin olive oil, salt and yeast. When it's well mixed, we can add a tiny layer of extra virgin olive oil and we're gonna put it to rest for another half an hour. After half an hour, we can give a couple of turns and we're gonna put in our tray with oil. At this stage, we're gonna start to flat our dough until it's gonna cover all the tray. Once we spread in our tray the mix, we can let it proof for 2 hours and 30. After our focaccia is proof, we can add our topping. A traditional focaccia is with olive oil, salt and water, and that's it. But me, as a perfect Genovese, I'm gonna add a bit of onion. You can add whatever topping you like, so you can add sun-dried tomato, rosemary, soft cheese, whatever you like. Feel free to be creative, but not too much, eh? One of the most important part of the focaccia is the salamoia that not everyone knows, and is made with water, salt and extra virgin olive oil. Don't be scared to put too much salamoia, because this one is gonna keep your focaccia moisty and salty. And last but not less important, we add the rosemary. Our focaccia is ready to be baked, so now we're gonna put in the oven at 180 degrees for 25-30 minutes. My focaccia is ready, so now it's your turn to do it, and let me know which topping you use. This one in Genova we even eat for breakfast with a cappuccino. So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it. And you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.